our last class before Onam. We will be revising chapter 3 and chapter 4. Before we go into the chapter, I would like to give you some information about our coming periodic exam. Our periodic exam starts by 14th September. So please prepare for the exam and be sincere to your exam. I will update the exam details and timetable in our WhatsApp group. So today is the last working day before Onam. By 7th September, we will resume the academic activities. Okay children, so let's revise chapter 3 and chapter 4. Do you remember the names of these chapters? Do you remember the names of these chapters? Chapter 3, Healthy and Clean, and chapter 4, My Family. Chapter 3. Chapter 3, Healthy and Clean. Healthy and Clean. And chapter 4, My Family. Okay, in chapter 3, we learned about how to keep ourselves clean. In chapter 3, we learned about how to keep ourselves clean. Do you remember those points? Do you remember? We learned about the personal hygiene and all. We learned 6 important points in this chapter. We learned 6 important points in this chapter, Healthy and Clean. Okay, let's revise those points. First point, wash hands properly. Wash your hands properly. Second, bathe regularly. Take a head bath regularly. Okay. Then third, brush teeth. Brush teeth twice a day. Brush teeth twice a day. Then the fourth point, keep your nails clean and short. Keep your nails clean and short. Okay. And the fifth point, comb hair neatly. Comb your hair neatly. And the sixth point, wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. So let's revise the points again. So first one, wash hands regularly. Second, bathe regularly. Third, brush teeth twice a day. Fourth point, keep nails clean and short. Fifth, comb hair neatly. Sixth, wear clean clothes. Okay. So, in chapter 3, Healthy and Clean, you just learn these points. So, first point, wash hands properly. Second, bathe regularly. Third, brush teeth twice a day. Fourth, keep nails short and clean. Then fifth, comb hair neatly. And sixth point, wear clean clothes. Okay. Healthy and clean. In this chapter, we learned about how to keep ourselves clean. We learned about the personal hygiene. Okay. Do you remember the points? We learned 6 important points in this chapter. Okay. First point is wash hands properly. Wash hands properly. Second,
bathe regularly. Third, brush teeth twice a day. Fourth, keep nails clean and short. Fifth, comb hair neatly. Sixth, wear clean clothes. We learned these points. Okay, wash hands properly, bathe regularly, brush teeth twice a day, keep nails clean and short, comb hair neatly, and wear clean clothes. Okay, then in that lesson, we learned some fill in the blanks, true or false, and match. Please learn that also. So, you remember this one. Health is dash. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Health is dash. Health is wealth. Yes. Next, brush teeth dash a day. Brush teeth twice a day. Brush teeth twice a day. Then wear dash clothes. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Next is write true or false. Write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. First one, we should take bath every day. We should take bath every day. It's a true statement, isn't it? Next one, we don't need to brush teeth before going to sleep at night. We do not need to brush teeth before going to sleep at night. It's false. Next, we must keep our nails clean and short. We must keep our nails clean and short. True. Then we should wear clean clothes every day. We should wear clean clothes every day. It's true statement. Then do not wash hands before having food. Do not wash hands before having food. It's false statement. You must wash hands before and after your food. Okay. Then please learn the match the following also. This all about chapter 3. Next chapter, chapter 4, My Family.
Okay, children. Now let's revise chapter 4. Chapter 4, My Family. Do you remember what we learned in this chapter? Do you remember what we learned in this chapter, My Family? In this chapter, we learned about different types of families. Isn't it? We learned about different types of families. Depending upon the number of members, families are mainly divided into 3. Depending upon the number of members, families are divided into 3. What are they? What are they? Small family, small families, big families, and joint families. Isn't it? For small families, big families, and joint families. Okay, depending upon the number of members, families are mainly divided into 3: small, big, and joint. Small family, big family, and joint family. And you know, in small family, the number of members in a small family will not be more than 4. Okay, parents and 1 or 2 children. Parents and 1 or 2 children. And in a big family, parents and more than 2 children. Parents and more than 2 children. Okay. Then we learned about relations. We learned about relations. That is, fathers or mother's father is known as fathers or mother's father is known as grandfather, and father's or mother's mother is known as grandmother. That is, we learned about relations, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. we learned all these things. So please learn all these points, then go through your fill-ups, true or false, match and question answers. Okay, so we revise this. Let's revise the fill in the blanks. Okay children, fill in the blanks. First one, father and mother are called dash. Father and mother are called dash. Yes, father and mother are called parents. Father and mother are called parents. Okay. Second one, a small family is a dash family. A small family is a dash family. A small family is a happy family. A small family is a happy family. Then third one, my dash is the head of our family. My father is the head of our family. My father is the head of our family. Then fourth one, it's very important. A small family is also known as nuclear family. A small family is also known as nuclear family. Okay. So please learn this one, and you just learn the spellings of parents, happy, father and nuclear also. Okay. So first one, father and mother are called parents. Second, a small family is a happy family. Third one, my father is the head of our family. My father is the head of our family. Then fourth one, a small family is also known as nuclear family. A small family is also known as nuclear family. And you also know big family is also known as large family. Big family is also known as large family. Okay. Now we will discuss true or false. You just write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. Okay. First one. Father and mother are called parents. Father and mother are called parents. Is it true? Yes, it's a true statement. So you just write true. Okay. Then the second one. Small family is also known as large family. The statement is small family is also known as large family. What we learned? Small family is also known as nuclear family. So the statement is wrong. Here it is given that small family is also known as large family. So it's a false statement. So just write false. Then the third one. Big family have only 3 members. Big family have only 3 members. It's a false statement. Okay. Then fourth one. Families are the basic unit of the society. Families are the basic unit of the society. It's a correct statement. So just write true. Okay. Now we will discuss match the following. Match the following. Okay. So in match the following, it is given small family, then big family, big family, then grandparents, and the last is parents. This is a portion. Small family, big family, grandparents and parents. And the B portion, here it's large family, nuclear family, large family, nuclear family. Then father and mother. Father and mother. Then fathers or mothers. Fathers or mothers. Parents. So please match the following. Here the A portion is small family, big family, grandparents and parents. And the B section, large family, nuclear family, father and mother. Then the last one, fathers or mothers, parents. Okay. Please match. Small family to small family is also known as nuclear family. So we can match small family to nuclear family. Small family to nuclear family. Good. Then big family. I told you, big family is also known as large family. Big family is also known as large family. So match this like, okay. Small family to nuclear family and big family to this large family. Okay. Then grandparents. Grandparents means fathers or mothers' parents. Fathers or mothers' parents. So grandparents match to here. Grandparents to here. Fathers or mothers' parents. Then parents means, you know, father and mother are called parents. Father and mother are called parents. So parents match to here. Okay. Parents means father and mother. So small family match to here nuclear family. Big family to here large family. And grandparents means fathers or mothers' parents. And parents means father and mother. Father and mother are called parents. Okay. Next one. Next answer the following. Okay. First question. Who cooks food? Who cooks food in our house? Who cooks food in our house? Everyone know the answer. Who cooks food in our house? Mother. Mother cooks food in our house. Okay. Then, who helps you in doing homework? Who helps you in doing homeworks? Yes, father and mother. Father and mother help you in doing your homeworks. Okay, good. Then next question. Name the different kinds of families. Name the different kinds of families. That's very important. Name the different kinds of families. The three kinds of families are small family, okay, small family, big family and joint family. Small family, big family and joint family. Okay. The three kinds of families are small family, big family and joint family. Okay.
Yes, my family. First of all, the families, different kinds of families. Yes, different kinds of families. Depending upon the number of members. Depending upon the number of members in a family, the families are divided into three. What are they? Yes, small family, big family and joint family. Small family, big family and joint family. Good. So depending upon the number of members, families are divided into small families, big families and joint families. Okay. Then small family means family with one or two children. Family with one or two children. Okay, that is the number of members in a small family will not be more than 4. That is father, mother and 2 children. Okay, good. Then big family, That is family with more than 2 children. Family with more than 2 children. Then we learned a small family is a happy family. A small family is a happy family. Then we learned about what? Relations. We learned about different relations. That is, father's or mother's father is known as grandfather. Then father's or mother's mother is called a grandmother. Do you remember that? Grandparents. Then uncle, aunt, and cousins. Then father and mother are called parents. So we learned the relations parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins. We learned that also. Then about the family members. We learned about family members. Father is the head of the family. Who is the head of family? Who is the head of our family? Father is the head of our family. Then who cooks food for us? Mother. Mother cooks food for us. She does the household work. Then what? Father and mother help us in doing homework. Father and mother help us in doing homework and explain difficult lessons. Okay.
Hereby, I conclude today's class. I would like to remind you all, enjoy your vacation. Stay safe at home. Study well and be ready for your exam. Wish you all very happy and safe Onam. Thank you.